Moving in later today and tonight. So we have a beautiful day ahead and we have a colder feel tomorrow and through Wednesday. We do start to warm up again by the weekend and we are expecting maybe some rain around for Christmas Eve. Here, by the way, is a look at what's happening with our front, which is now getting very close to us. Sometimes these fronts roll in with a lot of cloud cover, some showers, some storms. In this case, it's really not very strong. All it is just that drier air sort of getting a push into our area tonight, and slightly colder air as well as high pressure kind of pushes it farther to the south into our area. So that's all the disturbance that we have with our next little weather maker moving in here. But look at this mess over in the northeast. All these bright green shaded boxes across parts of Pennsylvania into New York and into New England. Those are all flash flood warnings. And that's for about maybe 2 to 4 or so inches, most of these of rain that have already fallen, and then expecting maybe another 1 to 2. And you can see some very heavy rain off the coast of Boston and in other parts of the Northeast right now. So really ugly weather for them today. For us, we have almost perfect weather. Our average high right now, 65. Right now we're at 62, and our highs today will be very close to that average. We have nice dry air, beautiful blue skies. And here we are again, really comfortable to kind of coolish, but in the sun should feel just a touch warmer. Winds not terribly breezy, but just a little bit of a movement there with our 10 or so mile per hour winds from the northwest. Here's your planner for the rest of today. Again, looking great after work or getting toward after work and after school. Temperatures about 63, and then by 7 p.m. we're back around 56. Our winds today, again, up to about 10, 12 miles per hour from the northwest. Tonight, we're expecting that colder air to filter in, and we may still have a bit of wind, so that might prevent frost. But with low temperatures north and west in the lower 30s, that's definitely frost range, even very close to light freeze range. So not a really big deal. Again, if we keep the winds up, we won't see the frost settle down. But if the winds are able to slack off a little bit more, like we're expecting, especially towards sunrise, we might have some frost. Lows on the South Shore, about 41. Here's Precision Cast as you make your plans for today. Here we are with that front just kind of quietly moving in. Very well-behaved front here, not stirring much up as we move through the afternoon. 8 p.m. you might start to feel a bit more of that breeze as we'll be in the 50s by that point. And then look at this, 7 a.m. tomorrow. We're talking about clear skies, a little movement to the air still, and temperatures north and south 30s to 40. So cold start to tomorrow, and then by Tuesday, tomorrow afternoon, we're warming up only into the lower and middle 50s. Now after that, our temperatures do increase to upper 60s by Friday and Saturday. And I wanted to give you a peek at the rain we may have around this weekend. This is yet another system. Saturday morning, I'm starting it off. We may have some rain. In fact, this model has a little bit more than the other model, the GFS model. But just to give you a look, both models do have a decent amount of rain around on Sunday. So this is Christmas Eve during the day, maybe lunchtime. This is not perfect. We're still almost a week out, so just kind of take it with a grain of salt. But we are going to be seeing probably some rain around with this system Sunday. This is Sunday night, Christmas Eve. This model wants to kind of bring the rain away from us. And then for Christmas Day, has it moving out to the east. We will see, but it does look like Christmas right now. I would say Christmas Eve, a pretty decent chance for some rain there. And then Christmas Day, I brought the rain chance lower. We might be dry, but again, we're a ways out, so timing could change a bit. And both days somewhat mild. Also, something we're seeing with this system this weekend, maybe we could get a few inches of rain. So the reds and purples here indicating about 2 to 3 inches of rain. We will see. Again, this is for the next 7 days. This would include, of course, mostly that rain for the weekend or into early Monday. So we'll keep our eye on it, but might have some pockets of heavy rain with this next system over the weekend with the low pressure system there. There's your forecast tomorrow, staying lower 50s, and then we're back in the 60s again starting Wednesday for highs.
Oh, all right, so no